At Robertshaw, innovation drives everything we do and everywhere we are. Like at our Qingdao plant, established in 1997, it's still evolving. Today, our Qingdao plant is a leading innovator in the production of OEM gas and fluid transmission products, including thermostatic controls, water valves, pumps, and more. For a wide variety of residential and commercial appliances, like dishwashers and refrigerators, our innovations span the entire process, from subassembly through delivery, including riveting, soldering, induction welding, aging, hot pressing, forming, and beyond. Each product is thoroughly tested for quality and performance to ensure we meet our customers' most stringent requirements. All from our team of experienced laboratory technicians. It's no surprise our Qingdao products have received the industry's most demanding certifications, including CSA, UL, and CE. With its impressive capabilities, advanced technology, and wide range of products, it's obvious that today, innovation drives everything we do at Qingdao.